Sanjirate Forest, the hidden balcony of the Kailash Valleys, Lower Chitral. From the pine-covered ridges of Sanjirate, 2,000 to 2,500 meters, you get the most breathtaking panoramic view of Bumbaret and Rumbur, the two largest and most beautiful Kailash valleys. On the left, Bumbaret, the biggest Kailash valley, famous for walnut orchards, terraced fields, and vibrant festivals. On the right, Rumbur, quieter, wilder, and deeply traditional. This single viewpoint captures both valleys in one frame, making Sanjirate the best natural balcony in Chitral. A peaceful 1 to 2 hour hike from Ayan village through Chilgoza pine and cedar forest leads you here.